anything. Come on. Barbara get it, huh? Yeah, sure. You can hide money. Out. Raise your hand and go to the area. If you anyone around you know that you're out, just walk all the way over to the rest and we put these days on. If you don't feel comfortable over there, you just put the grip on things and take it back up to the front. So with the left there. Alright? Any questions? No? Honestly, what if we just chill here for a second and see where everyone goes? Because I don't know where everyone's going. Alright, JJ. The game starts with a whistle. Because the last thing I want to do is almost like 40, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Other people, you know. Hey, we're going to stay here. You guys are all going that way? Good. Okay. I'll go this way. You're going, yeah. I'm going this way.
You're going that way? I'm going this way.
Right. I don't want to be cluttered. I'm going to little.
They all gang up right behind each other and just, sit back and just wait for somebody to get the balls to move out.
I don't mean to be rude. You want to move? I'm going to get right there, but I'm going to run straight.
We don't know what we're doing. We've never done this before, so.
I would recommend going to the
Where's they at?
He's that way.
You're out? Okay. I just wasted somebody right there in the middle. Keep, ooh, keep low. I can't see where they're shooting from over there, can you? Here, pop up and look between these. Oh, I see them now. What was that? Is that game? I just shot Caleb, I think. They're behind that container right there, whoever that is. There's at least one person back there. I gotta get around that way somehow. Let me think about this for a second. I'm gonna sacrifice myself to get that person out. All right, I'm gonna go around. Got to get behind that container that far right. Ah, hit. Right in the top of the head, too.
You can just stand right there with you. Come on, y'all gotta move up. Y'all gotta come behind that.
Just go to the right. Just walk to the right.
You're good. You can keep coming around and we've cleared pretty much this entire
All
time.
right.
Hey, you're good to move up. You need some paint? Yeah, come here.
Oh, the ref's right there. Dang, he's like standing right in the line of fire. Dang, they're lighting us up now. Hey, I'm gonna try and dance up behind you, okay? Yeah, you sure got lit up quick. Just wipe it with your sleeve.
If I would have had my gun up, there's so many guys.
I lit a kid up.
Jacob is still in the game. He's out there holding his own. How about you? Did you get some shots off?
Yeah, I lasered a kid.
Was this in the last game or this one we just had?
That was from Jacob.
Oh, okay.
I lasered a kid. That was
You hauled in there a long time.
I failed. I face planted and my whole thing just fell out my thing.
Hey, everybody listen up. Everybody keep your mouth. Alright. It's not next game playing called Alamo. That's the attacker team, that's the defending team. This is the attacker team, this is the defending team. The defending team objective is they will be placed on the side of a little small square box. All they have to do is defend that little small square box for a time of 6 minutes. 8 minutes.
Oh.
But for you guys, you objective is to seize that square box to get it to eliminate everybody inside that square box or touch the front wall of the square box.
You just gotta watch for the wood.
Yeah, I forgot they can come from the other side, flank us.
That's all we need, yeah.
Somebody's gonna have to cover all the corners and then the rear flank. At least 2 rear flanks. I think that's what got us last time, is we lost track of who was coming around the backside.
Right.
This is the swamp.
Y'all get some hogs rooting back here or something.
To be completely honest with y'all, it's not much better at the castle.
It's usually worse there.
Yeah, you're right.
It is 10 times worse.
Oh, God. It's like straight up doo-doo back here. You stepped right out of your shoe, huh?
Yeah, good thing I stopped though, because I would have got my feet wet. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's real bad back here. Embrace the suck, man. Embrace the suck. Save your paint. Save your paint for you can make a shot that you can actually see, okay? We're so far away, you can almost see the ball coming and duck. Oh man. No, my freaking ball busted in my barrel, I think.
Oh, shit! Nigga, what you doing?
There you are, 45. 11 o'clock.
Hey, I'm watching the straw thing go right there.
What's the wood?
Running. 11 o'clock, guys.
1 minute 36 from respawn. We got 1 minute 36 from respawn.
Back up a little bit. You see him?
Tried to throw a smoke grenade at us.
There's one guy pretty close on the left, behind the wooden wall.
There was a guy real close, but he's near no more. Oh shit. Chris, how you doing?
Woo! That one hit my gun and got all in my face. Hit my gun and splashed all over me.
Just watch out
Two
left.
guys on left. I mean right.
We're-
I got right, I got left.
They're all a bunch of them bailing.
Wood wall, right
Oh,
here.
it's right there.
Right here.
Right to the wall. Right first
Get your
cubicle.
heads
Look.
up, your heads up.
Woo!
More like a mud bath.
Yeah. It is gnarly back there. I kept hollering at you to try and communicate, but I guess you couldn't hear me. I'm like, how's our left? How's our
Bro,
left?
there was like 6 of them laying in the bushes.
I know, they were lighting us up from this corner over
I
here.
got hit. And then he said I was still in, so I went back down and I popped right back up to shoot again.
That was brutal, man. I could just, the entire time I could hear paint whizzing over my head.